Good morning. I ask all Americans regarding the healthcare. 99% of the folks say yes, it's a mess. If you all agree, give me a thumbs up, folks. This is a fact. 99% of the Americans, they know that US healthcare is a mess. Do you know why? Simple answer, folks. Simple answer. Because consumers are not in control. Insurers, they don't care. Insurers, they're driving up the costs. Providers taking advantage of the insurers. I believe, once consumers take control, you will see competition like you have never seen before. We need more competition. We need affordability, lower premiums, lower procedural costs, lower hospital costs, lower nursing home costs, lower cost in every aspect of the healthcare. Yes, we want to lower the cost. You know who can do it? Once consumers start shopping, you will see the competition. That's where the competition begins. The affordability comes in when consumers demand and they start shopping. Who wants to compete, they will succeed. Who don't want to compete, they lag behind. That's simple, folks. This is a free market principles in healthcare. Anything. Look at Amazon, Costco, Walmart. Look at the competition in the retail industry. What's wrong with America? When it comes to healthcare, they think it's free pass. No, there's no free pass, there's no free rides, there's no one size fits all approach in healthcare. That needs to stop. Medicare for all, one size fits all approach doesn't work. Are you guys listening to me? It doesn't work. There is nothing free in this world, man. There's nothing free. You talk about Britain and Canada, they have the best healthcare. You haven't seen it. You don't know the facts. You really don't know how long you have to wait in line. That's for the people who have and have nots. America cannot do that. In British, there's a class system. Canada, there's a class system. People have the money, they get the best care. People who don't have the money, they get neglected. So in America, Americans will never tolerate that nonsense of first class, second class. We need a free market. Everybody should be able to access the healthcare, especially for the people who are economically impaired, physically impaired. They can't afford it. They don't have a home. They are the one who needs the most attention, folks. There are ways to do it by having a public-private partnership. I'm telling you, public-private partnership is the way to go. Having appointed a health review board, health review authority, monitoring all insurance companies, irrespective. If insurance companies denies an applicant, automatic review. And if they are denied for improper reason, they'll be forced to accept it. If there are real legitimacy in denying the claim, then health review authority takes control, gives them certificate of guaranteed coverage, irrespective of who they are, what their race is. It doesn't matter. They will get a certificate of guaranteed coverage. We have lots of healthcare problems, folks. Obesity, mental issues, drug addiction. There are so many things we have to talk about in healthcare, but they're being neglected by the so-called bureaucrats in Washington. They're whining and dining with insurers. ignoring the people who put them there in the first place. I would like to see Americans wake up. Americans wake up and vote for the representatives where consumers are empowered. You are empowered in the healthcare, not the insurers, not anybody else, not hospitals, not doctors, no one else. It has to be you. You will drive down the cost. Folks, if you like my message, if you like what I'm saying, follow me. This is my lifetime passion. I want to achieve this consumer empowered healthcare before I die. Yes, before I die. I'd like to see consumer empowered healthcare bring affordability, competition, and more transparency. No billing. Eradicate the billing, which is costing us 20%, and eradicate managed care organizations. They're costing additional 20%. 40% is right there, additional cost. We don't need that. Give back to the consumers. They will know how to shop around for the best healthcare system. They can see the best doctor, best hospital, best service, what they deserve the most. Thank you guys for listening. Goodbye and salute.